A central BJP team which was in Dhulagarh in West Bengal's Howrah district after a communal flare-up in the area last week wasn't allowed to proceed into the area. The Bengal government is clear these BJP leaders are trying to communalize an already tense situation. The team from the BJP finally had to go to the governor instead.
The central delegation of the police consisting of Member of Parliament Jagadambika Pal and former Mumbai Police Commissioner and BJP leader Satyapal Singh is being stopped by the police here. Prohibitory orders in place here in Dhulagarh. The police pushing back people now here, not allowing the MP's panel to enter this place. This of course is a place where senior officers are here also. The police and the BJP delegation in trying to just break past the barricade here at this place in Dhulagarh, where the police aren't allowing the BJP delegation to enter this place. BJP President Amit Shah sent the team of MPs to Dhulagarh for a ground report, but Mamata Banerjee's police did not let them in. The scuffle lasted 15 minutes. The angry BJP team sat on a dharna on the spot, while supporters blocked the national highway. Finally, they went to the governor. Satyapal Singh accused the Trinamool of minority appeasement.
If we are allowed, we can ensure public will not indulge in any violence. Peace will be ensured. We will find out what exactly happened, why there is a dismal failure on the part of the police, on the part of the government.
The police officer under whose watch trouble erupted has been transferred. Over 50 people have been arrested. Last Monday, trouble erupted over the route of a religious procession on the Prophet's birthday. Violence peaked on Wednesday as houses were burnt, shops looted and people fled their homes. Prohibitory orders are still in place and there's heavy deployment of policemen. The Trinamool Congress says the BJP is fanning communal flames in the state.
ममता बनर्जी शांति चाहते हैं। शांति है, शांति बिगाड़ने के लिए तो बीजेपी कोशिश करेंगी, लेकिन कोशिश करने दीजिए। कोशिश करने से तो सब कामयाब नहीं होगा ना।
In Dhulagarh with Vishwajit Das, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.